Welcome to the Excel basic topic number point 1. Why it is point 1? Because it is first video of Excel basics topics. If you know about Excel 0, you have zero knowledge, I recommend you start our video from point 1 to point 10. It will become 1 and then so on next series. So I recommend every beginner to watch our point 1 to point 9 every video, which is equally important and very useful for further advanced videos. So what we will include in this topic, let's see. First we will include why it is good to know cells, row and column. This topic will include cells, row and column. What is cells, what is row, what is column. Then future use in EBT, Excel basic topics. Of these three topics, rows, columns and cells, and their benefit. Let's start. First of all, why it is good to know, why we want row, why we want column, why we want cells in Excel. Here you can see in the image, without any row, column and gradification, it is very difficult, right? It is very difficult to identify locations. Let's take one visual example. See, in this video, if I said you to give me the exact pinpoint location of Mumbai, or give me the exact pinpoint location of Dubai, or Hawaii, Australia, Japan, any location, Meghalaya, any location, it is very difficult to give you exact pinpoint location without rows and lines which we use in GPS. Same logic applied to the Excel. Without proper reference name, it is difficult to identify the proper correct unique data to the Excel, and your entire calculation will be misplaced and it will become mess. That is why it is equally important to know these basic facts. So let's come back to our topic. As I just said, what is a cell? Let's take one example. Consider this F34. This I here highlighted. This F34 is one cell out of entire Excel data. Millions of cells available in Excel. How I'll identify it is F34? It starts with the column, right? Column F and 34 row. If I select here, you can see I32. Here F34. Automatically, moment you select the cell, Excel by default highlight your selected area. And same reference you can get from here, which call name box. Identity, call address box. We'll go in detail further for all these detail how to use different advanced functions, but let's start with the beginning basic. Two questions. Total columns available in Excel from A, B, C, D, X, Y, Z. There are total 16,384, which starts from A to the XFD. Let's check. Here is the last column available in Excel, XFD. You may increase those, but we will see it later in advance. Total row 1,048,576. This is the last which I have highlighted, last row in one Excel spreadsheet. This is the information. Now if I give you this data, let's come to the blank. Now here it is very difficult to identify without headings. Now I'll remove the headings. Now if I mention here something, can you tell me where it is? As we can see in Word file on plain paper, it is mentioned. Can you identify? by your eyes? No, it is difficult. Same. That is why Excel gives each cell, each area, one location. It is under grid, under heading. Now it is easy to identify. It is AG24, and same you can get from AG24, right? So I can, if I want to go, if I'm somewhere else in this spreadsheet, and I mentioned here AG24, and if I enter, I'll go to the exact location, unique location of the data. It is very useful for advanced Excels to give a proper sales reference for formula, periods, and all other stuffs. So let's move to the third topic, which is future use in Excel basic topics, EBTs. It is needful to know in every Excel operations that cells reference, columns, and row is most important. Formula, formatting, analysis, data mining, pure charts, presentation, data mining, and so on. Huge list. Everywhere you have to be correct for your cell references, column, and all other stuffs. And last but not the least, the most important benefit, improvement in daily office work performance. It improve your image towards all other colleagues, how you know better than others, all basic skills which call soft skills, better recognition and good appreciation in existing or new jobs, or any your business, any location, for your clients, for your stakeholder, for your boss, manager, for everyone. If you have a good set of knowledge for a soft skill, including this Excel, Word, we will see it later, but for this time we will concentrate on Excel. It creates a huge impact. So if you like this video, please share this video with your friends and family. The link is available below. If you like, subscribe the video. Thank you for the watching. Rashtra Deva Bhava. Jai Hind.